Hello, my lovelies. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name's Jakara, and I'm starting out my video here with a trip to Colliure, France on my birthday in December. It was all decorated for Christmas, which is so festive. I loved it. This is a seaside southern French town, and it's known for its fishing and also the birthplace of Fauvism. My friend really helped me out by helping me hang my chandelier in my bedroom. He got the chandelier up finally, so yay! I'm still working on that other beam, but yay! I'm so excited. I have to get the candelabra light bulbs to put up there, and then it will be totally done. He also helped me fix my door so that I can open it all the way. It was sticking on the floor. We had to cut a little bit off at the bottom of the doors to get it to open all the way. So my friend who helped me with the light also helped me with my door. As you see, it can swing all the way open. Before, it used to get caught on the floor, so it can swing all the way open. And as you can see, when I put the floor down, I couldn't put anything right here because I couldn't open the door all the way. So now I can just like remove this, fix it up, and put a full piece there as opposed to that the little bits that I put there. So yeah, so he did this door that swings back and forth easily, and then this door also now swings back and forth easily. It's awesome. I'm so excited. That, you guys, that was such an annoyance. So that's brilliant. I'm so excited. Yay! So since I have plaster already made up, I'm gonna go ahead and fill in these holes. This rack, I love it, but it's super heavy, and even with wall anchors, it keeps falling out of the wall. As you can see, I have those holes up there. I put it back up there, but I'm gonna have to be careful about what I put on it. Not too much. I can't put too many coats and things, but too much heavy stuff anyway. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and fill in these holes and prep this wall as well for painting. Holes are filled now. They just have to dry so I can sand and then paint over it. So I'll let that dry and I'll be back and show you the final result. All right, so I have to do some follow-up to patching these holes, and I'm trying to like tie up loose ends here in the apartment. So let me sand this down and then paint it, and that will be one thing I can check off my list. All done. It's not perfect. There's still like little divots that I can probably plaster over later, but for now, I'm gonna take this as a win. So I finally finished the plaster on the ceiling here, and I'm about to paint it white. I tried to get the edges as smooth as possible, but it is still a little irregular because I'm sure they had a tool to help, smooth it out, make it more square, make the edges crisp. But anyway, this is what it's looking like now, and this is after 5 coats of plaster. So yeah, now it's time to paint. And my ceiling is finally done. It only took me a whole month to get it done, but yeah, doesn't look as, like I said, perfect as the other one, but I'm happy. It's better than what it was before, so I'm pretty pleased. I'm so excited. My friend is going to take me to see the Christmas lights in Béziers, the city that's closest to this village. I'm excited. I've never seen them before, so I'll show you what I see. the next project I want to do in the apartment is I want to cover up this screen that I have for the pantry with fabric, and this is the fabric I chose. I'll just let you see. It's pretty kind of natural, like plant material print. So I thought it would go good with the color of the armoire and the pantry itself. But yeah, I wanted to cover up the dishes so you wouldn't see what's inside of here. So I'm going to cut this fabric to measure so I can do both doors, and I'm gonna staple the fabric on the inside here just to cover up cover up all these dishes, because I was like, it's okay, but I don't want to see all the dishes and stuff like that. I think it would be cuter with the fabric. So let me do that. So this is what it looks like now. So one down, one to go. It looks better already, in my opinion. And there it is. All done. I like that way better without the dishes showing. It looks good with the color of the pantry slash armoire, and it works great. And just open up easy. Open up easy. And yeah, I love it. I love it. So today is my last day here in France, and they're having a market for like a Christmas market in town. This is my first time seeing the Christmas market, so I'll show you a little bit of that.
Regarde, Justine, elle achète des petits gâteaux. Est-ce que c'est qu'elle en a même pour les champignons? All right, my lovelies, it's my last hour here in France,
And yeah, I'm about to leave to go to the train station. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. And I would love to have you back for my next video back in the United States. Anyway, I hope to have you back here for my next video. If you would go ahead and subscribe and ring the notification bell so you know when my next video is up, that would be wonderful. I hope I was able to give you a good feel for what my life is here, like here in France. I am trying not to be emotional about leaving. I truly, truly miss it when I'm not here, and I feel like I come alive when I'm here. I think one of my subscribers said that I seem happier because I just am here. I think the way we live here in France, it just suits my personality better. Yeah, so look forward to the next time I come. In the meantime, I will see you back in the US, and thank you for watching. Until I see you next time. Take care.